As my wife and I walked around our Fort Lauderdale neighborhood in the fall of 2004, it became clear that we were not prepared to be hit by 4 hurricanes, Charlie, Francis, Ivan, and Jean, within 4 months. The giant oak trees that once dotted our neighborhood were ripped out and thrown to the ground like twigs by the relentless 100-mile-per-hour and higher winds. I was saddened by the sight. The trees provided shade from the year-round heat. They were ideal for the classic tire swing I wanted to put up for the delight of our young son. However, one tree stood alone, almost untouched. It was a banyan tree. A banyan tree is unlike any other tree. As its branches grow outward, each extends its own cluster of airy roots toward the ground, becoming yet another trunk. Think of them as pillars supporting a great structure. A mature banyan, supported by these pillars, can stretch across several acres. Perhaps maybe not as picturesque as an oak tree, but the banyan was the sole survivor in the onslaught of 4 hurricanes. In the following seasons, it became even stronger and more beautiful, its canopy filling in the sunlit spaces created by the storm's wrath. As investors, it's a sure bet we will get hit by financial hurricanes, just like any tree in South Florida will be tested by another tropical storm. It is not a matter of if a crisis will strike, it's only a matter of when. Thus, you're faced with a choice. Would you rather be an oak tree, picturesque but easily uprooted, or would you rather be a banyan tree, its many supporting trunks creating the strength to survive and prosper no matter what happens? If you're the latter, congratulations. Banyan Hill Publishing is your new home for financial guidance. We are a network of global experts in asset protection, investing, and entrepreneurship who have united together to help hardworking Americans obtain total wealth. Unfortunately, in today's world, total wealth is difficult to achieve and maintain. That's because you really only have 2 choices when it comes to investing and asset protection. Choice 1 is to go to a financial advisor who peddles his company's plain vanilla advice, charging you exorbitant fees every step of the way. Choice 2 is to invest on your own without any help at all and try to navigate the tumultuous markets on top of everything else you do. Both of these choices are unacceptable and dangerous. At Banyan Hill Publishing, we offer you a third choice, a better way for you to protect and grow your wealth. We give you the chance to tap into the minds of our esteemed experts and allow you to look over their shoulders at their model portfolios. Experts such as Ted Bauman, our asset protection, privacy, and offshore living specialist who knows hundreds of legal loopholes to help you meet your financial goals. Another one of our experts is Paul Mampilli. Paul became Wall Street's poster boy for stock-picking success when he was recruited to run a $5 billion hedge fund, and within a few years, with his leadership, the firm's assets under management ballooned to $25 billion. Each of these experts, along with several others with backgrounds in technical analysis, business management, and financial planning, contribute to Banyan Hill Publishing because they have a desire to help you achieve a higher level of investment returns while reducing your risk. And they do this by putting you in the driver's seat. You are in control of your investments, and we are there to give you as much guidance as you believe necessary. Through these daily updates, you're going to discover new ways of saving money and making money that will catapult your wealth to entirely new levels. These methods will often seem off Wall Street and unconventional, and that is because they are. Very few people even know they exist. Unlocking these new ways to vast fortunes will be exciting and informative, and you'll be able to take advantage of our research no matter your age, income, or investment pedigree. Today, as I stroll down the streets of our financial neighborhood, I see a lot of destruction from the recent economic calamities, and more storms still loom on the horizon. If you try to navigate these difficult times on your own, your financial well-being could be destroyed, just like the oak trees near my house were destroyed by the hurricanes. If you're like a banyan tree and allow us to give you the extra support you need to be the pillars for your financial well-being through our expert research, you will set yourself up to survive and prosper no matter the economic conditions. Let's achieve great things together